I think the High Point Theater Department has just been another home for me. They've given me so many opportunities to grow. They've given me so many opportunities to learn.
The professors and the faculty really entrust the students to make this work.
From the department head all the way down to the adjuncts, all of them have professional experience. They are dedicated and they are excited.
I was willing to learn, and they gave me the opportunity and the tools that I needed to succeed. You yourself are what really makes the program special. So get involved as much as possible. Do whatever you can. Say yes to everything, because everything will challenge you in your unique way and it'll make you a better individual.
I would say that my most meaningful experience during my first year was joining the Department of Theater. Being able to work with everyone and know what goes on backstage and on stage and behind the scenes and actually help make something happen is something I never thought I would experience as a freshman.
We're small, so we're always all working together on every show. You're just much more immersed.
We're such a close-knit department. Everyone is so open. You can walk down the hallway and all of their doors are open and they're in their offices ready to talk to you. And it's a really great environment. Every single person gets to work on construction and gets to learn about lights and gets to learn about everything instead of just picking one focus. And I think that's really important in this industry, is to be able to know everything.